Subramaniam, there is still no clarity about remdesivir, when it should be administered. Let's get this clear. We've been asking this over our roundtables and viewers continue to remain confused. Should there be clarity given by the National Task Force Pan-India when remdesivir should be administered, Dr. Subramaniam? And what is your recommendation?
See, simply put, people don't understand what remdesivir does. Remember, it's not the virus which kills you, it's your immunological system. And therefore, the value of remdesivir is actually very minimal. Studies have shown that in mildly symptomatic or pre-oxygen requiring, there is no benefit at all. For those who require a lot of oxygen, there is unproven benefit. The benefit may be for people requiring small amounts of oxygen. Having said that, I don't worry too much about remdesivir. I don't even bother using it. If the patient has it, we use it. If the patient doesn't have it, I really don't give two hoots about it, because it doesn't seem to make a big difference. The most important thing is the appropriate use of steroids, oxygen, and other supportive therapy. And remdesivir is not a big deal. WHO has not put in remdesivir as a key drug for this particular reason. It's not a life-saving medicine. People are going goo-goo and gaga about a drug which does not seem to make a big difference in terms of saving lives. So I'm not bothered. I don't care. It is not important to me.
And why are doctors, Dr. Subramaniam, prescribing Ecospirin after recovery? Any reason why this particular prescription is being given?
Yeah, so it's an extension of the previous discussion, which is so beautifully done. So I will put it like this, that there is an inflammatory cascade, and this is not unusual. See, even after influenza, we've seen this. We know that if you have influenza, H1N1, or even other flus, there is a 7 to 10 times increased risk of heart attacks in the weeks to follow. Therefore, respiratory viral infections are known to trigger heart attacks. Added to this, the fact that COVID seems to trigger the coagulatory system, the blood clotting system, more than other viruses, for some unknown reason, is also an additional concern. So for that reason, what our policy has been is that whenever we have a patient who comes to the hospital and requires to be in the hospital for any reason, the minimum that we give them is at least a month of aspirin and monitor them outpatient. However, those who have proven blood clots and things like that, obviously it's much more, you need more than just aspirin. But I think using aspirin for a short duration, especially those vulnerable, there are people who are at high risk for heart attacks like diabetics and hypertensives and all that. So those patients, and we also include patients who had a significant injury, and we give them aspirin for at least a month, and we feel that is reasonable.
Satish Pulapaka is asking, when are we safe to come out of quarantine, Dr. Subramaniam? If we are a mild case and fever free, can I come out after 6 days? Everybody wants to come out of quarantine. So when should they come out? Is there an ideal time?
There are two reasons why we put people in quarantine. One for the society's benefit and one for your own safety. For the society's benefit, after day 5, the risk of transmission is actually quite low. Yes, it can happen, but it's very unusual. But here's the more important point. People may feel well at the end of 1 week, but they can suddenly develop inflammation in the second week, and it can take a turn for the worse. That's why it makes sense for you to take rest for 2 weeks' time. So more than just transmission and your civic duty not to propagate what you have to others, it is also about making sure that you don't do anything crazy or stupid and therefore put yourself at risk. And therefore, it is in your best interest to stay home and take rest for 2 weeks' time. So it's for both reasons.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Swaminathan, and I keep saying Subramaniam, Dr. Swaminathan, you're giving us the answers that we really need at the moment for our viewers. I want